I'm trying to find a replacement ballast for a wall sconce. It says Model EE187 even on the site that Mike G recommends, 1000bulbs.com, a search comes up with 0 finds.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
On and off for several weeks.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It's just a simple CFL wall sconce. The bulbs are 18 watts 4-pin. We've got 13 sconces here at church I'm trying to fix. Most of them need new ballasts.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your electrical issue. My name is. I look forward to helping you. I'm new to JustAnswer, so please be patient with me. I am a licensed electrician. I think I can help you, as I have over 40 years of electrical experience. Or any other specs on the ballast you have?
Not really. I can send you a picture of it and all the details it provides on it. That's where it said the model number. I could tell you the input and output numbers, or I can send you the picture.
Okay, send me a pic. Can you send a pic of the lamps and lamp holders too? If necessary, are you able to rewire the fixtures?
We can rewire, and we can always get a new fixture. I assume you're thinking about going with LED and bypassing the ballast. I'm open to that idea. But we're just trying to find out how expensive it is to replace the ballasts. We have 13 of these sconces. Unless you are suggesting there is an LED bulb available for this. We weren't aware this type comes in LED yet. How do I send pictures? Oh, I see, probably the Add Files button, right?
I'm not sure on your end, but that sounds right. You have a paper clip icon?
I'm trying to add the pictures now, but the website is fighting me. Hang on a second.
I found a 18W ballast for $22 if it is compatible.
Here's a picture of the ballast. Here is the fixture itself. That's the real question. I need to know if what I'm buying is compatible with this old Model EE187.
Is that a snap-on ballast? No wires?
Not snap-on. There are wires at the bottom.
Can you take a pic of the writing on the fixture plate?
Here it is, but it's just bulb replacement info.
Here is a Hampton Bay replacement ballast. Copy and paste that to your browser. If not, look at Home Depot http://www.homadepot.com/p/radionic high-tech 13-watt 1 lamp circline normal power factor electronic replacement ballast E113K/204667131. I hope I was of help today. Please give me a good rating before you sign off today. Thanks, George. These fit your application better. It a 10-pack. http://www.homadepot.com/p/radionic high-tech universal voltage high power factor electronic ballast for 913 and 18 watt CFL lamp 10. Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great day. Thanks again. George.
2 things that kept me from 5 stars: 1. You sound unsure if this Hampton Bay part would work or not. I'm not left with great conviction on that dot, but at least it's better than I was doing on my own search, so I appreciate that dot too. The second link you sent me, for the 10-pack, is not available to purchase when you actually go to Home Depot website. So you kind of got my hopes up there. Anyway, thanks. I'm not sure it was worth $16. I was hoping for firmer answers.
Sorry about that. Home Depot showed it online when I looked. You may be able to get it from the manufacturer. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.